Platinum mining firm Anglo American is taking labor union Amcu to court. It's suing the union for damages and losses suffered over the past 3 weeks as a result of the union strike. Amcu spokesperson Mpumi Sithole is on the line to tell us more. Mpumi, welcome. Why are you suing Amcu for exercising the workers' right to vote?
Well, thank you very much for this opportunity. Look, the company is suffering damages as a result of Amcu's failure to maintain control of the strike and the failure by Amcu to adhere to picketing rules, which were made by the CCMA and of which the Labour Court has ordered Amcu and its members to comply with.
Mpumi, can you just break down for us, just very quickly, a few of those rules that they have broken?
Look, it's damage to property. It's damaging to property. There's an excavator which was set alight. There are vehicles set alight. There's mine property, stone throwing, intimidation of our employees who are not on strike, which means that they can't come to work as a result of the action of Amcu members. And we are now dealing with increased costs to pay our protection services staff over time, and losses, cost occasioned by the loss of production that, the non-striking workers are not coming to work, therefore there's no production that's taking place.
How much are you planning on suing the union for, and how did the mine get to this sum?
Look, there's a provisional amount of 591 million. Although we are aware that the wrongful conduct is continuing, so the damage will probably continue to accrue.
Aren't you afraid that this case might tarnish the company's image, painting you as an anti-workers' rights?
Look, the negotiations are happening, and they are a distinct matter, separate from the issue that we're dealing with. This summons relates to Amcu's conduct in relation to the strike. Amcu has certain obligations as a union in relation to protest action and gatherings convened under its auspices, and they must be held liable for unlawful conduct of participants in these gatherings and protest actions. Now, by so doing, the company does not mean that we do not respect the right of Amcu. In fact, the company supports the constitutionally guaranteed right of workers to strike. But this comes with the responsibility for the workers and the trade unions to abide by the law and not engage in acts of violence and intimidation and destruction.
Now, Mpumi, the application was filed on Friday. What is the way forward?
Look, the way forward is the summons will be handed out by the sheriff, and the wage negotiations are under the auspices of the CCMA. So I do not have a mandate to give an update on that, because the CCMA is the one that can give an update in terms of what is happening with the wage negotiations.
And how much is the strike costing the mine on a daily basis?
On a daily basis, we are losing up to 4,000 ounces of platinum, and which equates to about 100 million. So the strike started on the 23rd of January, and those are the figures that we are losing every day.
All right, Mpumi, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. That was Amplat's spokesperson, Mpumi Sithole.
Know more about your world.
enca.com